2025 has flipped the switch. What you thought you knew about YouTube, it's outdated, because the creators dominating this year might not even be human. From AI-generated voices to fully automated channels, the line between man and machine has officially blurred. And here's the thing, this isn't some far-off prediction. It's happening right now. AI isn't just a tool anymore. It's your editor, your writer, your thumbnail designer, and in some cases, the face of your entire brand. So in this video, I'm breaking down exactly how AI is taking over YouTube, and why creators who understand this shift are making more content, faster, and growing like wildfire. Let's dive into the AI-powered revolution. Why should you care? Simple. Because YouTube in 2025 is no longer a level playing field. The people growing the fastest aren't spending 10 hours editing. They're spending 10 minutes. AI lets solo creators scale like entire teams. We're talking daily uploads, optimized thumbnails, clickable titles, automated. If you're dreaming of passive income, growing a faceless channel, or just want to work smarter, not harder, this is your moment. You don't need a camera. You don't need to speak. You don't even need to show up. You just need the right tools and the right strategy. First step, nail your niche. But in 2025, picking a niche isn't about passion. It's about performance and automation. Here's what's working best with AI. Animated Reddit stories, AI-generated news recaps, motivational channels with synthetic voices, niche finance, or crypto explainers. Relaxation and ambient sounds, short-form tech tutorials. Why do these work? Because they're repeatable. They don't rely on a real face, and they can be batch-produced with AI tools. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm topics. Use VidIQ to analyze demand. Use AI voiceovers to keep it faceless. Small audiences are more loyal and way less competitive. This is where automation thrives. Now let's talk setup. You don't need a studio, you need a system. Here's the fast track to launching your AI-powered channel. Step 1. Choose a channel name using Namelix AI Brand Generator. Step 2. Generate a logo in Luca or Canva Magic Studio. Step 3. Use Pictory or in Video AI to create your first video using script plus visuals. Step 4. Plug in 11 Labs or Play HT for realistic AI voiceovers. Keep your branding tight. Same colors, same fonts, same tone. Create a content calendar using Notion AI or Trello. Plan out 10 video ideas and batch scripts with ChatGPT. Then, generate visuals. Use stock clips, animations, or AI-generated imagery through Runway or Kyber AI. This system isn't about perfection, it's about repeatability. Once your template is ready, you're no longer making videos. You're producing content at scale. Set up once, and let AI do the rest. Brand new to all of this? Good. I was made for beginners. You don't need editing skills. You don't need to be a designer. You don't need expensive gear. Here's the ultimate beginner-friendly workflow. Use ChatGPT to write a 3-minute script on your chosen topic. Upload it to 11 Labs for a pro-level AI voice. Feed that audio into Pictory or Fleeky to generate a video. Use Canva Magic Studio to whip up a thumbnail in 60 seconds. Done. Now rinse and repeat. Still not sure what to make? Try this. Search Reddit, Quora, or TikTok for trending questions. Then, answer those with AI-generated videos. It's simple. Find what people are asking. Let AI help you answer it, in video form. In 2025, execution is everything. If you can press a few buttons, you can build an audience. No skills, no camera, no problem. Just consistency and AI in your corner. All right, let's make your first video. Open ChatGPT. Type. Write a 2-minute script on your topic. Copy that. Now head to 11 Labs. Paste the script. Pick a voice. Download the audio. Next, open Pictory. Upload the audio, select a template, and let it generate the visuals. Tweak the scenes. Add B-roll, maybe a text overlay. Now, Canva Magic Studio. Prompt. YouTube thumbnail for video title. Add a bold title. Use a close-up image or emoji. Download. Boom. You've got your full video and thumbnail, ready to upload. Does it feel like cheating? Maybe. But welcome to 2025. This is the game. You didn't shoot a second of footage. You didn't record your voice, but you just created a video that could rank, earn, and go viral. And with tools like VidIQ or TubeBuddy, you can tweak your title and tags for max exposure. This is speed content creation, built for the modern YouTube era. You don't need perfection, you need progress. And AI gives you that. Uploading isn't just about clicking publish. Use VidIQ or TubeBuddy to optimize your title, tags, and description. Focus on keywords with low competition and high interest. Make sure your thumbnail pops. High contrast, big fonts, strong emotion. Add timestamps, links, and a pinned comment to keep viewers engaged. And don't skip the community tab. Use AI to generate polls, quotes, or sneak peeks to stay active. Engagement equals growth. Want faster traction? Use shorts to drive traffic to your long-form videos. Repurpose with Opus Clip or Descript AI. Even your upload process should be powered by automation. Every detail matters in 2025. Monetizing an AI-powered channel is easier than ever. You've got YouTube AdSense, affiliate links, digital products made with AI, and even selling your automation systems as services. Once your content machine is running, it's not just views, it's income streams, and they stack fast. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. AI is the cheat code of this decade, but like any tool, it only works if you use it. So stop overthinking. Pick a niche, make your first video, upload, repeat. The best part? You get better as you go. The algorithm rewards consistency, not perfection. And with AI handling 90% of the heavy lifting, you're out of excuses. This isn't about going viral overnight. It's about building a system that works for you while you sleep. So show up, let AI work, and stack your wins, one video at a time. This is your moment. If you're serious about using AI to dominate YouTube in 2025, don't wait. Hit like, smash subscribe, and drop your niche idea in the comments. I respond to everyone. Check the description for direct links to every AI tool we covered. These aren't just extras. They're your new creative team. Because the future of content isn't coming. It's already here. AI is the engine. You're the driver. You can build with it or fall behind watching others grow. This is your moment. Let's build smarter, faster, and take over together.